Hi, this video is to help you with the TinkerCAD Additive and Subtractive Modeling assignment. Additive and subtractive modeling are basically words for 3D sculpting. So additive modeling is when you're going to be putting different pieces together, and subtractive modeling is when you're going to be carving away. To practice additive and subtractive modeling, we're going to be making this shape twice. To make it a little bit easier, I have pulled it up here so you can see the picture a little bit better in the video. The measurements in this picture are in inches, and TinkerCAD works in centimeters. So I already did the conversion for you, and 0.75 inches is very, very close to 2 centimeters. If you want to be exacting, it's 19 millimeters, but we're going to go ahead and use 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters. So what I need to do to make this shape using additive is go to TinkerCAD. Make sure you're using our class link or whatever directions were given to you. So this time, instead of going to learn, you're going to go to create new design. Once I have this open, if I want, I can change this to my name and what I'm doing. And I'm going to start by adding a box, because the shape we want is made out of boxes. So there's a couple of other things I can do to make this a little easier on myself, especially now that I've done the tutorials and practiced using TinkerCAD a little bit. One is, you'll notice here that there are measurements for your box. Once you pull it on, you have the investigative window. Length, width, and height are already set to 20, and that's millimeters. So this box is actually already exactly the shape you want. Now, again, if you want it to be a little extra, you can try to make it exactly 19 millimeters in each direction by just clicking and typing. But for this project, I'm absolutely okay with us just using the standard block as it comes. Another thing I can do is tilt the work plane so it looks a little bit more like my isometric picture here. I can also use my multi-view to understand where the blocks should go. This is my top-down view, so I can go to my top and I can add blocks according to that view. Oh, this one's overlapped a little bit. So I have this shape, and then I got the block in the back is the tall one. So again, I'm going to use a little cone to raise it up higher. I want to raise it up 20. I can see how high it's being raised there by the numbers. And then I can move it, grab all of my shapes, I can see that's off a little bit. So I can fix it by ungrouping them, zooming in, grabbing this one shape. Oops, let me back up just a little bit. There we go. I can also select just these 2 cubes in the back and the align button. I want to make sure that they're aligning correctly. All right. And that's it. We're done with the additive. So what you would do now is take a screenshot of this, which is going to be a little different depending on what program you have. But you should have either Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch, which we've done before in class. You just draw a square. With Snipping Tool, all you need to do is right click and hit copy. With Snip and Sketch, there's actually an icon up there that you have to click. You can't just right click the copy. And then you put that right in your Google document and get ready to do your subtractive. I hope you found this helpful.